Hundreds of worshippers held a peaceful protest demonstration in the premises of Srinagar's Jamia Masjid against the continued house detention of the senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and chief cleric Mirwaiz Umar Farooq. Scores of the worshippers assembled inside the mosque and staged a peaceful protest demonstration seeking an unconditional release of the Mirwaiz, who has been under continued house arrest since 5th August 2019. Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to the occupied Kashmir was a smokescreen aimed at diverting international attention from India's grave human rights violations in the territory. Amit Shah, addressing a gathering in Jammu, attempted to mislead the Indian people by claiming that the G20 meeting in Srinagar was a grand success and all the participants have gone back to their respective countries with the messages of peace. Narendra Modi-led Indian government has been secretly working to keep India's reputation as the world's largest democracy alive after it was declared as flawed democracy by the researchers 3 years ago, says a media report. The report by the UK-based newspaper The Guardian said the Indian government has been secretly working to keep its reputation as the world's largest democracy alive after being called out for democratic backsliding under the rule of Narendra Modi. An Indian army soldier was injured in an attack in the Poonch district of the Jammu region of the occupied Kashmir. The Indian soldier sustained injuries after some unknown gunman opened fire at the army patrolling party in Gulpur area of the district. Soon after the incident, the Indian troops launched a massive cordon and search operation in the area to nab the attackers. The operation continued till last reports came in. Congress party has hit out at the union government over the Home Minister's all-party meet in Manipur, saying that it was too little, too late. It said that the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's absence from the meet also showed the BJP government's lack of seriousness on the subject, even though violence has been raging in the northeastern state for more than 6 weeks now. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has said that if democracy is being discussed in America, why doesn't it reach the occupied Kashmir? Umar Abdullah was addressing a press conference after the Indian opposition party's meeting in Patna. Chief Minister of the Indian state of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, has said that all opposition parties in the country are united and will fight together against the Bharatiya Janata Party in the next Lok Sabha elections.